everybody. Welcome to Back to Basic Concepts. In this video, you will learn to simplify the numerical expression with the help of Fermat's rule. First, let me test your previous knowledge. What is this sign? Plus sign. It is a symbol of addition. Which is this? Minus sign. It is a symbol of subtraction. What is this sign? Into sign. It is a symbol of multiplication. And this divide sign, it is a symbol of division. What are these signs called? Operation of maths. So we can call these signs as basic mathematical operations. What is 7 plus 8? It is 15. What is 8 fours are? 32. What is 12 divided by 6? 2. Very good. And what is 15 minus 8? 7. It is very simple to solve these type of sums. What are these type of sums called? These are mathematical forms which involve only numbers along with operation plus, minus, multiplication or division. So these are called numerical expressions. Here are some more numerical expressions. 18 minus 4 plus 2. 14 plus 28 divided by 7 into 3 minus 15. 38 plus 63 divided by 7 minus 4 into 2. Is there any difference between the previous examples and these examples? Yes, these examples are mathematical forms which involve only numbers along with more operations at a time. So we can say numerical expressions are mathematical forms which involve only numbers along with one or more operations. How to solve these numerical expressions? We will solve these by simplification rule, that is Fermat's rule. That means division first, multiplication second, addition third, and last subtraction. But an easy way for the beginners is to do division first, multiplication second, addition or subtraction, whichever is first. Later on, you will be able to solve by Fermat's rule in the proper way in higher classes. Let's understand it with the help of examples. First, 18 minus 4 plus 2. To avoid mistakes, we will underline the part of the sum which is to be solved first. Now this sum contains addition and subtraction. So we will solve whichever is first. That means 18 minus 4. By solving we will get 14 plus 2. We get the answer as 16. Now see the next example. 14 plus 28 divided by 7 into 3 minus 15. This sum contains all the operations. So we will underline the division part, that is 28 divided by 7. We will get the answer as 14 plus 4 into 3 minus 15. Now we will solve the multiplication part, that is 4 into 3. By solving we will get 14 plus 12 minus 15. Now normal solving, whichever is first, as it contains plus and minus. So we will solve first 14 plus 12. We will get it as 26 minus 15. Now 26 minus 15 is 11. Now see the next example. 38 plus 63 divided by 7 minus 4 into 2. We'll underline the division part. 63 divided by 7. By solving, we will get 38 plus 9 minus 4 into 2. Now the multiplication part, that is 4 into 2. By solving, we will get 38 plus 9 minus 8. Now the normal solving, addition or subtraction, whichever is first. 38 plus 9. We will get it as 47 minus 8, that is 39. Now see the next example. 75 divided by 3 minus 64 divided by 16 plus 2 into 7. This sum contains two division parts, that is 75 divided by 3 and 64 divided by 16. We will solve both the division parts at a time. We will get it as 25 minus 4 plus 2 into 7. Now the multiplication part. 25 minus 4 plus 14. Now whichever is first, that is addition and subtraction, whichever is first. 25 minus 4, we will get it as 21 plus 14 and we will get the answer as 35. See the next example. 3432 divided by 22 plus 109 into 2 minus 85. We will take the division part, that is 3432 divided by 22. We will get it as 156 plus 109 into 2 minus 85. Now the multiplication part. We get it as 156 plus 218 minus 85. Now the normal solving. 156 plus 218, we will get it as 374 minus 85. The answer is 289. Now see the next example. 27 plus 16 minus 3 into 4 minus 12 divided by 6 into 3 plus 60 divided by 20. अब क्या करेंगे हम? अब ये सम दो डिवीजन पार्ट है इसमें, तो हम दोनों लेंगे एक साथ. That is 60 divided by 20 and 12 divided by 6. After solving, we will get 27 plus 16 minus 3 into 4 minus 2 into 3 plus 3. Now this sum also contains two multiplication parts, that is 3 into 4, 2 into 3. So we'll solve at a time. That is, we'll get the answer as 27 plus 16 minus 12 minus 6 plus 3. अब हम क्या करेंगे? अब इस सम में एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन both are there. So we'll do whichever comes first. So 27 plus 16, we'll get it as 43 minus 12 minus 6 plus 3. Now we'll take 43 minus 12, we'll get it as 31 minus 6 plus 3. Now 31 minus 6, we'll get it as 25 plus 3. And the answer is 28. I hope you would have understood the concept of Dima's rule. Please like, subscribe and comment this channel.